Hey y'all, I'm back in my kitchen and welcome back to all my subscribers and to my new subscribers. I appreciate you being here. So listen, I know it's right after Thanksgiving. I know you guys still got some turkey left over. If you like me, you still got some turkey. But I'm getting ready to use up my last 2 cups and I'm going to make some turkey pot pie. Let's get started. So here are our ingredients: 2 store-bought pie crust, some minced garlic, some turkey broth, evaporated milk, salt and pepper, flour, and butter. And we also have some turkey and mixed vegetables, and I've chopped up some onion. First thing I'm going to do is to get my pie crust started and get that rolled out so that I can have somewhere to put all of my filling when I'm done. Okay, y'all, so I have rolled out my pie crust, and I did use store-bought pie crust. One day I'll come on in and make a video about how I make my pie crust. But today, I'm trying to do this the easy way. So, I rolled out my pie crust, that's the first thing, and then I'm going to make my filling. I've turned my oven on to 425 so that it can preheat. We'll start making our filling by heating 1 stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup. I'm cooking this on a medium-high heat, and as my butter starts to melt, I go ahead and add my onion and my garlic so that they can sweat down. They'll get translucent, and then I'll add my flour. And that was 1 small onion chopped and 1 tablespoon of garlic. And I just used the minced garlic in a jar. I didn't feel like mincing garlic today. Okay, so I've added my half a cup of flour and I'm cooking that to get the flour taste out. So I'll cook it for about 2 minutes. So after I've cooked my flour, I'm going to add my turkey broth. I have 16 ounces of turkey broth here, but I added a little bit of at a time because you can always add turkey broth, but you can't take it away. So I added a little bit so that I can make sure that I have just enough and I have the thickness that I want on my sauce. I let it cook a bit and then I'm going to add my cup of milk. I hope you've noticed that I'm constantly stirring. I don't want any lumps to develop. So I'm going to taste it and it needs a little bit of salt. So I have some salt and pepper already ground up that I'm going to sprinkle in. And I usually have about 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper. And I kind of sift those in as I need them. I've given it one last taste and now it's time to stir with the spoon. I'm going to add my turkey and my other ingredients. I have pre-cooked some and just basically thawed out some mixed vegetables. And I'll add those. I'm stirring these vegetables in and seeing that it's a little bit thick, so I'm adding a little bit more turkey broth. And you know where I got that turkey broth from? Remember I told you that I was going to make some turkey bone broth? That's it. So I'm giving it one last taste. I've turned the eye off because it doesn't have to cook anymore, but it needs just a little bit more salt and pepper. I checked the thickness and it's still a little bit too thick, so I added a little bit more turkey broth. And you'll add the turkey broth based on how thick you like your filling to be. So I poured my filling into the prepared pie crust that I put out earlier and thought that my camera was on, but it wasn't, and covered it up, and now it's ready to go into the oven. I baked it at 425 degrees for 20 minutes, then cranked the oven down to 400 degrees and baked it for another 10 minutes until it was done. I paired this with a tossed salad and my family loved it. Okay, y'all, it looks like my camera died after I was crimping my pie or while I was doing it, so you didn't get to see me crimp my pie. I will do that the next time. But my taste tester is here. It's after school hours and my people are ready to eat. So let's taste this thing. I'm gonna let Miss Peyton be my taste tester today. Hold on. I'm just going to give her a little bit. You see that crust? That's a good crust, but I didn't make that. But I made that filling. Blow it. Too hot for you?
I like it.
Good. Good. Okay, y'all. I got my taste. You know I got to have me a taste. So, look, I got a little green bean and a little corn in mine. Delicious. The filling is creamy and it is tasty, has enough salt, has enough flavor in it, and it's good. Got some vegetables and meat. I love it. Go try this turkey pot pie for yourself. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you come back next time. I'll see you then. Bye.